DNS tunneling is a technique that repurposes the domain name lookup process to carry other types of information. By embedding data within specially crafted queries and responses, it creates a hidden communication channel that can bypass normal network controls. While security researchers may use this method for testing defensive measures, attackers often exploit it to smuggle sensitive data or maintain unauthorized access without raising suspicion. The domain name system is a distributed directory that translates human-readable names into numeric network addresses. When a device needs to look up a name, it sends a request to a local name server. That server first checks its cache, and if no entry is found, it queries higher-level servers in a hierarchy: root name servers, top-level domain servers, and finally the domain's authoritative name server. Each response is stored for a limited time to speed up future lookups. DNS tunneling relies on a covert communication channel carried in standard DNS queries and responses. Each query's subdomain is used to carry a fragment of data, often encoded in a simple text format such as hexadecimal or base 32, which the attacker's name server then reassembles. Responses can likewise return information, enabling two-way interaction. By breaking files or commands into small pieces that fit within DNS messages and sending them in a steady stream, this method smuggles data through the name lookup process and evades most ordinary network controls. Security teams sometimes use DNS tunneling to evaluate network defenses or to connect to remote systems when standard channels are unavailable. Enterprises may also employ it for low bandwidth, covert communication in environments with strict controls. Conversely, attackers leverage the same technique to exfiltrate confidential information or to establish persistent access, hiding their traffic within normal name lookup exchanges. Up next, we will break down how DNS tunneling actually works, explore the tools attackers and defenders use, examine methods for spotting hidden domain lookups, and finally discuss how to block these covert channels. Key takeaways from this overview: DNS queries can carry data beyond names. Attackers hide in plain sight by encoding information inside subdomains, and simple network defenses may not catch this traffic. Stay tuned to learn the mechanics, hands-on tools, detection signals, and prevention strategies in depth.